What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we have the Supreme Air Max 187s here. I'm very excited for these, man. I cannot wait to check these out, guys. So let's get right into it. I've had these for a couple of days already, but I've been so busy. I'm exhausted right now. Like, I'm literally going to knock out after this video. We have the Supreme Air Max 1s here. Let's look at them. Size 13, because that's the biggest size that they have there. I wear a size 14, but I can fit a size 13 if I want to. Supreme on the back like that. I really like the Supreme hits on the box though. The Supreme boxes are always fire, I'm not gonna lie. I also have the Supreme SB highs from last year, I believe, or was it 2023? I can't remember. There's that. Bam. But yeah, all right, let's go ahead and open it up, man. We also have the hats here. Make sure you guys check out that unboxing if you guys want to see all the details, because there's a lot of details on this hat, which is really cool. But here we go. Let's open it up. We get our Supreme sticker in the packaging, but then I just put it in the box here because, like I said, I had this for a couple of days. Very nice stuff there. You can get that everything here. Here it is, man. Got the yellow ones. If you guys know me, you guys know yellow is my favorite color. Yellow/gold is my favorite color, so I'm super happy to have these here. So here's a look at the left shoe here. Beautiful yellow, and it has that snake, like that snake skin, like leather, the same one that was kind of on the varsity jacket that they had there too, which is really nice. World famous Supreme on the back. That looks really good. Look at that. Got the Supreme branding here on the toe box with Nike Air Max, and 1994 here as well. Got a nice little Nike swoosh right here. Really nice details, man. I really love this colorway, and the prices are not too bad. So if you really want these, you can actually pick them up for a pretty good price. Air on the bottom, really nice stuff there. Love the all yellow, and I probably will be purchasing the other ones as long as the prices stay where they're at. You know, I'll eventually, slowly but steadily, getting the other colorways as well. But yellow was my favorite color. Purple was my second favorite. Black and then white will be how I would have my order. Let me know what your order would be in the comment section down below. Here's the inside, Supreme, Nike Air. I love the yellow all around it, and you know, with the red hints as well. Very low key too, you know, it's a very low key shoe. It's like, obviously, you know, you see the Supreme here, but you know, if you're just looking at it like this, you're not gonna really know what it is unless you know what it, you know, unless you know. So that's what I like about it. Here on the shoelace string here, this says world famous on both of them. That's really nice detailing. See, there's a lot of cool details on this shoe, which makes this shoe really cool. Really like it. And here's the right shoe as well. We get the nice hang tag here. Supreme Nike hang tag. Looks really nice. Let me know, you guys gonna be rocking it with the hang tag on or off? Me, I might take it off, but also, I don't know. Low-key, I kind of want to keep it on. I normally don't, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'll take it off, but yeah, there it is. That looks really nice. And we also get some yellow laces here that say Supreme all over them. That's really cool. Now, I also wish we had some red laces to go with it, because I think that it would have matched. If we had like this exact same like yellow lace, but it's red, that would have been cool. So it says Supreme all over it with the red. That would match with the, you know, red here and stuff. So that would have been cool. But hey, I'm totally fine with the yellow. So let me know which one you would use. I would probably throw these for sure on. But same detailing overall on the shoe. Nothing different. Very nice quality as well. Nike with the snakeskin. Nike on there. World famous Supreme. And then on the bottom, we got that Nike Air on the bottom. On the inside, you see it? Size 13 Supreme Nike Air on the inside as well. And then same Supreme branding here. Same Supreme branding here with the Nike Air Max on the tongue. So yeah, that's pretty much it for these shoes right here. Got them both here, man. Really nice stuff, man. Hey, I love it. With the yellow matches perfectly. The yellow hat with the, you know, Air Maxes match perfectly. And I will probably get the rest of the collection, and I might as well get the rest of the hats while I'm at it too. So that's gonna be something I work on over the months, just trying to get all the rest of the colorways with the hats. And as well, I don't think we got a white hat, a white on white hat. We should have, but hey, it is what it is. Let me know what you guys think about these. I know these were kind of one of the quickest ones to sell out too when it comes to the bigger sizes, so that's really cool. Don't really see a lot of people really posting these. I see a lot of people posting the purple ones and stuff like that, so kind of cool to have more of the underrated pair in a way. So really cool. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section down below. I think they're amazing. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys check out this right here, and I got more unboxings coming very soon. Actually, in fact, this week I got another big unboxing dropping this week, so you don't want to miss it. All right guys, I'll see you guys on next time. Sign out. Peace.